Now let's move on to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has departed for a 3-day visit to the United States this morning. During this visit, Prime Minister Modi will attend the Quad Leaders Summit, participate in discussions at the United Nations and engage in several high-level meetings. Following the summit, he will hold bilateral meetings with the other leaders of the grouping, Biden, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese and Japan's Premier Fumio Kishida. With a lot on the cards, all eyes remain on the Prime Minister's visit to the States for the first time during his third term. Now let's take a look on what the diaspora in the US have to say on Prime Minister Modi's visit.
Well, Modi and Us is really about India and us. It's a celebration of the Indian American diaspora, our love for our homeland, and also for the US-India partnership. You know, the Indian diaspora is part of India's soft power. We are the cultural ambassadors of an ethos that really exemplifies unity in diversity.
जो घड़ी का हम 10 साल से इंतजार कर रहे थे, 10 साल पहले प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी मेडिसन स्क्वायर गार्डन में आए थे। उसके बाद हम हर साल उनको रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि न्यूयॉर्क में प्रोग्राम कीजिए, लेकिन फाइनली 10 साल के बाद नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी ने अग्री किया टू एड्रेस अस। तो हम नासो काउंटी इन लॉन्ग आइलैंड न्यूयॉर्क, वी आर सो ब्लेस्ड, इतने लकी हैं कि फाइनली हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज गोइंग टू एड्रेस अस।
We also have reactions coming in from the US congressmen ahead of Prime Minister Modi's visit in the US. Take a look.
Well, the Indian diaspora in America is very, very excited about Modi ji's visit to America. There is a lot of people that love Modi ji. They appreciate what he has done for the country, increasing the economic power of India. India has become a super economic power because of the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and the Indian Americans who are all over the United States are very excited to welcome him as he lands tomorrow.
He will meet President Biden, and what do you think? What are the key areas of cooperation between India and the US, and that will be discussed?
Well, look, China is becoming very, very aggressive, and you know, India and United States need to form a very strong bond, whether it is in technology, whether it is in defense, in science, commerce. We need to have strong ties with India. India and US need to work together because China is becoming very aggressive, and the only way for us to slow down China is to have a strong India-US relationship.